Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya.
Court actually on the Zenzo Meyiwa case, let's just unpack. It started late. Their court ngoba accused a bit late Untanze and his entourage bafike nje a bit later and now we're waiting for them. We don't have a problem. Bafika and then Ramusipileke needed to just tell us what's going on, with the witness. They actually still consulting with the witness. They still not finished. That's why sometimes I just feel like Labantu vele coach. Just like they coach them and said, you must say this, you must say it like this. You understand? Which is fine, guys. We don't have a problem. As long as Sinanje, we want the truth. Pale, we're there now. We are tired of the lies, And then you know ukuthi vele Brigadier Yakini's name is gonna come up and Mkhano Uvusumuzi Mkhano nimtshele mani nimbona uyafuneka lo muntu leyo kufanele aboshwe bayamfuna nalapha ecourt. And then they started again with their stories ukuthi no, actually the documentation that they had Attorney Sipho Ramusipile had ukuthi no, lento ayibonakali nana kahle and Jay, there's just something that's not right with it. It's just like those are things, guys. And on top of that, brothers, the doctor's handwriting in another level you've never seen. So they're just like no. And then Ngapa brothers Low State Dr. Sibanda did not do the transcripts on this one. So kuningi no Ratsabuze. But you know what's crazy about Ratsaga these days? It's funny how he's not saying, oh, you're dealing the case, uJP uzothini, mina ngivakashile la ngihola mahala, in nabantu bazothini, YouTube. Those are his things, angithi these days he doesn't say them. Then ukuthi bazothi ijudge njani leli. No, we decided on that long time ago anyways ukuthi uyijudge njani. Uyijudge elibias elinamanga nalo liphakathi inside. So we are so over that anyways. So whatever. Like kubona. So he was acting like he wants ukuthi kuqhutshekwe maybe tomorrow ke, and then bamtshela ukuthi the recess is actually coming on the 19th and tomorrow, but we don't think it's possible. Umshololo uyamazi ngeke asoze nje athi tomorrow. Umshololo said it's even on Monday, but no, next week Monday we won't even be available on Thursday. That's when Dr. Sibanda said no, let's actually come on this Thursday today, right? But it just didn't make out witness I could. So Angazi witness is available next week, and there's a holiday, June 16th, Tuesday. So we have 4 days next week before people go to recess. So it's not necessarily an easy week, but I think we can actually push this witness to testify a bit. I mean, Attorney Ramusipile is about 8 pages. I'm sure we can cover it, guys, by like Thursday, Friday. And then Magbuya go recess, they want to ask him the other advocates from Shololo, and then before the state come to this witness, you know how it goes. So I'm just like, I'm sure. Hopefully tomorrow, Attorney Ramusipile does start with his cross-examination for the new witness, because really, guys, we don't want to waste time. We don't want to waste time on this case. It's been too long already.
So the other most important thing that actually delayed us today is the unreadable documentation of 8 pages. Is Kininda, guys. Oh my word.
As the court pleases, my lord, we are indebted for the indulgence that the court gave us this morning to consult with the witness that is here. Unfortunately, my lord, as anticipated, the consultation is not finished, so we'll have to revert to my earlier submissions that because this was a day to determine whether or not the witness is here provisionally, we be afforded further time to consult, and we do not want to keep his lordship in chambers indefinite, so we request that this matter be postponed until tomorrow, and I'll resume with my examination of the witness tomorrow, my lord, as the court pleases.
And that is the arrangement, my lord. From my point of view, it's a good arrangement.
Yes, thank you, my lord. I also support the arrangement that matter be postponed until tomorrow for further consultation. Thank you.
The state? Hello? No objection, my lord.
You want Monday? Why don't we postpone up to Monday?
I'm looking at that, my lord, but Tuesday is a public holiday, so I'm not sure how long we are going to be with the witness. And then Friday, the recess starts, my lord, next, on the 19th of June.
What do you think, Mr. Shololo? Monday? Because it means it appears you guys are not ready.
My lord, I would suggest Monday. Let's take what it is.
Yeah, I'm not ready. That statement is how many pages? 9 pages.
It is about 6, 7, 8 pages, but it's a difficult read, my lord. It's the one that was apparently read by Brigadier Gininda on record, but even what he read on record is not accurately reflected as per the statement.
It's not typed.
It is not.
It was freehand. Eh?
It's freehand, my lord, and it's a doctor's handwriting, my lord. It's a difficult read.
You never transcribed it, doctor. Did you transcribe it?
No, my lord.
Who wrote that statement? Or who took it down, in other words?
Which statement Mr. Ramosipil is referring to? Oh, I'm advised it was taken by Brigadier Gininda. It's not.
This one was taken by Musimo Simokhane, my lord.
Where is he?
Sorry?
Where is the Muslim Khan? Where is he?
I'm not sure, my lord. He's a police officer.
Is he in Pretoria?
It is attached to the national police.
So what do we do then? Go on with those mistakes, or what? Not even mistakes.
It is not mistakes, my lord. It's a difficult read. I've transcribed it halfway through reading it. Mr. Numalo says he can read it better, so we're busy with the witness in relation to this statement.
So let's postpone to tomorrow then.
Yes, I'm suggesting tomorrow because of the public holiday.
Okay, fine. Let's postpone to tomorrow.